Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an automated post-purchase follow-up email sequence. This is a simple way to stay in touch with people after they buy from you. It helps you say thank you, give them useful information, ask for feedback, and maybe bring them back to buy again later. A lot of people focus only on getting the sale, but what happens after the sale is also important. When someone buys from you, that is the perfect time to build trust and make them feel good about their order. So in this video, I'll walk you through each step in a simple way. Step 1. Start with a thank you email. The first email should be a simple thank you message. This email should go out soon after the customer buys something. You do not need to make it long or complicated. Just thank them for their order and let them know you appreciate them. You can also remind them what they bought and let them know what happens next. For example, you can say their order is being prepared, shipped, or processed. The goal of this first email is to make the customer feel safe and happy about their purchase. You can say something like, "Thank you for your order. We are happy to have you as a customer. Your order is being prepared and we'll keep you updated." Keep it warm, clear, and easy to read. Step 2. Send an order help email. The next email should help the customer use or understand what they bought. This is useful because some people may have questions after they make a purchase. They may not know how to use the product, where to start, or what to expect. In this email, you can give simple tips. You can explain the first thing they should do when they receive the product. You can also share a helpful guide, a short list of steps, or answers to common questions. The goal is to make the customer feel supported. For example, if they bought a product, you can tell them how to set it up. If they bought a service, you can tell them what the next step is. This email should not feel like a sales message. It should feel helpful. After a little time has passed, send another email to check in. This email can ask if the customer received their order and if everything is okay. It shows that you care about their experience, not just the sale. You can keep this message very simple. You can say, "Hi, we just wanted to check in and make sure everything went well with your order. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and we'll be happy to help." This kind of email can help stop small problems from becoming big problems. If the customer has an issue, they can contact you early. If they're happy, they will feel even better about buying from you. When you create your email sequence, keep every email simple. Do not write long messages that are hard to read. Most people quickly scan emails, so make your point clear. Use short sentences, use simple words, make the email easy to understand. Each email should have one main goal. One email can say thank you. One email can give help. One email can ask for a review. One email can offer another product. Do not try to do everything in one email. This makes the whole sequence easier for the customer to follow. And that is how you can create an automated post-purchase follow-up email sequence. The main idea is simple. After someone buys from you, do not disappear. Say thank you, help them, check in, ask for feedback, and give them a reason to come back. This makes the customer feel valued, and it can also help your business grow over time. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.